Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to another edition of Crypto Adventures. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and set up the Exodus mobile wallet. And this is going to be for the Android version, okay? Now, take note that you do have to have an Android version that is 8.0 and above. Okay, so you do have to have one of the latest versions of Android. Okay, so I finally got mine updated. I'm running Android 9.0, so I'm ready to put this Exodus mobile wallet on my Android, and I figure I'd make a video to show you guys how to do it. Okay, so I'm here in my Google Chrome, and I'm here on the Exodus website. Okay, so we're going to click up here. I'm going to go to products. And I could just go straight to download, but I want to show, just some of the mobile stats really quick. So click on mobile wallet. Okay, your crypto anywhere. Now what's really cool is that we can actually sync our desktop and mobile together. So if you have Exodus Wallet on your desktop, you can sync your Exodus wallet on your mobile, which that's really cool. I like that a lot. Okay, and of course you can do it on iPhone or Android. Okay, just gonna scroll down, just show you some of the basic stuff that they're showing. Okay. Okay, and here's some of the main features that I wanted to show you. Keep your data private. Exodus Mobile encrypts private keys and transaction data on your mobile device for your eyes only. Your data remains private. No registration or account setup required. The desktop sync, which is really, really cool. And by using your 12-word backup phrase, you can control your wealth on your mobile device and sync to your desktop. So if you have your 12 words, your backup phrase from your desktop version, that's what you can use to sync your wallets. Okay, so 24/7 human support, one touch easy. Now you can trade your cryptocurrency in a few taps. Want to exchange Bitcoin for something new? Exodus hides the complex details, while assets are exchanged behind the scenes in seconds. Okay, and that's pretty much it for that. And then here's a list of the supported cryptocurrencies, which it's a pretty good list. Alright, so you'll want to come through and just read all this stuff for yourself, check everything out, before you do download, to make sure that you do want the Exodus wallet on your mobile, which I know I do. I've always used the Exodus desktop version. It's been my favorite wallet for years. I've used it for years. I've never had any issues, and I was really excited when the Exodus released the mobile version. But with the phone that I had, my Android, I was running, I think, like Android 6.0, and you have to have Android 8.0 or more, or larger, in order to run this app. So I finally got Android 9.0 running, so now I'm ready to download this onto my mobile. So let's go ahead and get into it now. I'm just going to click on download on the Google Play. It's going to take me to the Google Play Store. Exodus Secure Crypto Wallet. It's already got over 50,000 downloads. Okay, it's got 4.4 star reviews. Okay, so let's click on about this app. There we go. Now I can come down. Okay, and let's see. App permissions. was looking at it on desktop, that's why it looks different. But you do have to have Android version 8.0 or more. That's what I was looking to show you. But it's Android 8.0 or more. Alright, so let's just come back. Let's go to install. Okay, let's let this run. Should be pretty quick here. Okay, there we go. We got it installed. Just click on open. And it goes right into the Exodus wallet. Now I should have the choice to either create a new wallet or to restore and use my 12-word phrase, and that's how I would sync to my desktop wallet. So secure and easy to use, blockchain wallet. I just clicked on get started. It says private and secure. Your private keys and transactions stay encrypted for your eyes only. Okay, let's do this. Let's go through each one, for all the newbies, and since this is my first time doing it. Okay, next. One-click exchange. Trade your assets from the comfort of your wallet in seconds. Control your wealth. Secure, manage, and exchange your blockchain assets. Get started. I already have a wallet. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to I already have a wallet. Since I have Exodus on my desktop, I'm going to use my 12 words, my backup phrase, to sync my wallets. Now, if you don't have an Exodus wallet yet, you're going to want to click on Get Started. Okay, and then it's a pretty easy setup. So I'm going to go to I already have a wallet. Okay, and it's asking me to restore wallet. It's asking me to put in my words 1 through 4, and then I'm sure I'm going to have to do, my next 4. It's going to be 4, 8, and then 12. But I can't show you this, of course. Never, ever, ever show anybody your 12-word backup phrase, okay? Because anybody will be able to access your funds by doing that. Okay, so I'm just going to pause this, and then as soon as I'm done putting in all my words, and as soon as I'm done with this step, we'll move forward together, okay? So let me put this in really quick. Okay, so I just put in my 12 words, which I've got those blurred out. So I did the first 4, and then I did another 4, and then another 4. So this is my 12-word backup phrase that I got from my desktop wallet. Okay, so all I did was put that in. Now I'm going to click on Restore, and it says, are you sure this action is permanent and cannot be reversed? Exodus will restart afterwards to apply the new changes. Yes, continue and restart. Okay. Okay, and there we go. So it restarted. It opened up the wallet automatically. And there we go. It's starting to fill up my wallet with the cryptocurrency that is in there. I love that sound. So let's wait. I should have some Walton Chain coming. I think I got a little bit of Bitcoin too. So let's see what comes in here. Let's let this sync up. Okay guys, so there we go. Restore successful. Unsupported assets remain safe, but will not display in your Exodus mobile wallet. So Walton Chain, for instance, I had maybe $500 worth of Walton Chain which it's not supported on the mobile version, so that's why it's not showing. But eventually I'm sure they will add that, and then as soon as they do, of course, I'll have that available here in the mobile wallet. Okay, so yeah, it looks like I got a little bit of Bitcoin, got some EOS, some XRP, a little bit of Ethereum, a little bit of BitTorrent, a little bit of Zcash, a little bit of Dash. Okay, so just a little bit. And then looks like I can add more by clicking on the add more there. Sure, let's see, I'll click on Bitcoin, and that goes to the Bitcoin wallet. Okay, so I got my send and my receive. Looks like this little arrow here on the left, that's going to be for sending. And then if I go back, if I click on this arrow on the right, it's going to be for receiving. Okay. And it does have the different wallets. If you have used a few different others, like this BC, that is the SegWit address. Okay, and then this 1FQE, that's a legacy address. Okay, so I like to use this SegWit address because the SegWit is a lot faster than the legacy. Okay, so looks like you can actually share it. So when you go into the wallet, let's see, you can click on share. And then what I can do is say, I can go to Gmail, and then I can just email anybody or myself my Bitcoin address. Okay, say I've got like my Coinbase wallet on my desktop, and I want to send some Bitcoin here into this Bitcoin wallet here. I can just share using Gmail. I can send myself an email with this wallet address, and then I can go onto my desktop and I can access that wallet address and then send from Coinbase here into my Exodus Bitcoin. Okay, so that's pretty cool. They got the share button there. Let's see if I click on the Bitcoin logo. On the desktop, if I click on the Bitcoin logo, it refreshes. So let's see if that happens. Nope. Let's click on the question mark. Addresses beginning with BC1, reduce transaction fees, but may not work everywhere. Addresses beginning with a 1 work everywhere. And that's the difference between legacy and the SegWit. A lot of wallet providers have not upgraded their software for the SegWit wallets yet, which is the BC versus the addresses that start with 1. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, I can see the 7-day chart, 1 month, 3 month, 6 month, and 1 year. Okay, let's go to 7 days. So I got my balance here, got the USD value, then I've got my activity. So it has uploaded my transactions as well, which it's pretty much synced everything from my desktop wallets here into my mobile, which I like that a lot. That's really cool. Okay, so that's X out of that. And then down here on the bottom, okay, obviously I'm in the wallet section now. You can see on the very far left, the wallet is white. So if we click on the 2 arrows, that's probably going to be the exchange, which that looks really easy to use. Just choose which one. Ethereum, I want Bitcoin. Click all. Of course I don't have enough, but that looks like that's pretty easy to use. So that's good. We got the exchange on there. And it's really user-friendly. The interface is set up really well. it's really easy to figure everything out. So down on the bottom right, let's click on this. That's the profile. Shows the version, Exodus 1.12.1. That's the latest version. So you can click on security, settings, you got support in there. Okay, then I've got 11 out of 39 enabled assets. Disable assets to hide them from your portfolio. Bitcoin and Ethereum must remain on, as the exchange requires a minimum of 2 assets. Okay. So that's how you can add those to your portfolio. Or you can come down here to the wallet and then come down to the bottom and then click on add more, and that takes you right into there. Okay. So there's 2 ways to get to adding assets and taking away assets to my portfolio here. Let's see, click on portfolio value. Let's go on name. I see that's just how it organizes it. So yeah, I want to keep it on portfolio value. So whichever ones have the most value are at the top. So Bitcoin's $15, EOS 7, XRP 5, Ethereum 2. Okay, so I'm going to leave it on portfolio value. Alright guys, so yeah, this is pretty cool. That was super easy to set up. As you could see, I mean, all I did was put in my 12 words. As soon as I put in the 12 words, it just simply restored. It took about 5 minutes to restore, and that was it. Just really, really simple. I don't think I'm going to show you how to create a new wallet, but it should be just as easy. You know, you're just going to go into create new wallet. You'll just set up your new wallet. You'll get a new backup phrase. You'll want to write that down, of course, and keep it in a safe place. And then you'll have access to your new wallet, just like this. Alright guys, so I think that's going to do it for the video. Hope you enjoyed this. I'm definitely excited about having my Exodus mobile wallet finally. And if you got any questions, just leave a comment below. Of course, I'll be happy to help you with any questions that you do have. You can always email me directly at jddinvegas@gmail.com, and I can usually get back to you pretty quick through email. Alright guys, so this is the Exodus mobile wallet, how to set it up, and what I did is I restored using my 12 words, which was my backup phrase that I got from my desktop version. So what I did is I synced my desktop wallets to my mobile wallets. Alright guys, so yeah, that's going to do it. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care guys.